In this training aid, we will look at plotting a grid bearing using a protractor and a lightweight compass. You will often be required to plot a bearing accurately onto a map. For example, whilst carrying out a resection, confirming a route of march, or locating an enemy position. Firstly, let us look at plotting a grid bearing using a protractor. Ensuring that the map is on a flat surface, place the protractor onto the map, with the centre point over the position that you are plotting the bearing from. Make sure the baseline of the protractor is parallel with the eastings. The arc of the protractor will face either to the right if the bearing is less than 3,200 mils, or to the left if the bearing is greater than 3,200 mils. With the protractor in the correct position, you can now pinpoint the bearing to be plotted and mark the map accordingly. Now, remove the protractor and draw a straight line from your position through this point and beyond. Your bearing is now plotted on the map for use. Let us look at an example. You have been informed that an enemy position has been located in a woodblock 8.5 kilometres from your current position, at a bearing of 1,300 mils, and you have been asked to identify this woodblock on your map. Firstly, place your protractor correctly over your position. Pinpoint 1,300 mils on the protractor and mark the map accordingly. Remove the protractor and draw a line from your position through this mark. Now, by using the map scale, measure 8.5 kilometres from your position along this line. You have now identified the enemy position within this woodblock. Let's look at plotting a grid bearing using a lightweight compass. First, set the grid bearing you have been given on the compass, for example, 2,000 mils. Place one of the long edges of the compass on your position. Ignoring the compass needle, rotate the whole compass until the declination arrow is pointing up the map to grid north, and the orientating lines are parallel with the eastings. Draw a line from your position along the compass edge towards the direction of travel arrow. You may need to continue the line further if required. You have now plotted a grid bearing using a lightweight compass.